Hi guys, welcome to my vlog once again. Today is a special day because we are going to Motoitalia. So by now, I guess may idea na kayo kung anong gagawin natin doon. We're supposed to pick up a new Vespa. It's a GTS Supertech HPE. It's a 300cc engine displacement. Yan. So, okay, we'll see you later. Check out natin ano yung features niya, anong meron doon, and paano ba yung process when you plan to buy a Vespa. Okay guys, I'll see you later. Ciao. Hi guys, we are back. Just a brief story. Bakit kukuha tayo ng Vespa, new Vespa? Kasi what I have before was the Vespa Sprint. Now, he was with me since 2016. And we rode together, talagang na-enjoy ko talaga siya, but somehow pinalitan ko na to a higher cc. At the same time 6 years na rin siya. Yan. He has a new owner. Yung bumili nun mahilig mag-ride. Actually, he's a 75 years old pastor, the one who bought that Sprint. Ayan. So yun yung story doon. So ngayon, we are almost near Motoitalia, Ortigas. Sila yung official distributor ng Vespa dito sa Philippines. Owned by Mr. Willie T10. Yan. So nandito na tayo. Almost approaching the Vespa showroom. Okay guys, we are here. Settle down lang tayo. And syempre we need to wear mask, safety protocols. Yan. Okay. Actually, napaaga tayo supposedly lunchtime pa or after lunch i-release. Ngayon, check lang natin yung unit and kung paano yung process. Okay? Let's go. Okay, we are here. Motoitalia Gameplays. So, ang katabi nitong Vespa, merong Triumph. Yan. Actually, walang way para pumasok dito. As you can see, close nakalagay. So, okay lang tayo dumaan dito sa Triumph. This is the only entrance papunta sa Vespa showroom. Okay. Ayan. Pasok tayo dito.
Ayun lang.
Okay. Safety first. 6.1. Okay na. Sa live. Hoy! Pa-vlog ako. So, 8:30 open na rin yata dito. Tatagos tayo dito. Pasok tayo dito. Yan. So, ito yung Triumph dealership. Dalawang meron nito sa Ortigas and sa BGC, if I'm not mistaken. Yung bike nila dyan. Ito yung Tiger, parang adventure bike nila. Ayan. It's a 900cc. Ayan. Ito yung Truckstone. Ito yung ginamit sa Netflix. May isang show doon na two buddies riding bike all around Korea. Hairy and hungry. Yan. Yung ginamit nila. Ito yung bobber ng Triumph. Low seat. Yan. Ito yung same thing pala, bobber din. Ito yung Street Twin. Ito yung parang very classic model unit nila. And maganda yung low seat height. Hello! Bablog ako eh. Yan si Marge. Ayan. Check nyo. So itong Street Twin, meron siyang black. I'm not sure if this is gray. Then may blue. Ayan. Basta may street scrambler nila. So, meron din silang mga accessories. Ayan. Pero ang ganda. Okay. Okay. Ay, Jiggy. Siya yung mag-a-assist sa atin. Kasi hindi tayo familiar sa, ano yun eh, yung bagong LCD, yung screen.
Yes, sir.
Hindi, alam ko lang yung analog eh. So yung GTS kasi na Supertech, TFT screen na siya. So yun, hindi ko alam yung mga functions niya na eh. Ayan. Ito yung sample to. In black naman ito. Ayan. So what's so special about the GTS na Supertech? Yan, malalaman natin. Ano bang meron dito? But why will you opt to get this TFT screen instead of the analog?
Sir, anong kinakaman na
Oh, hindi, okay lang.
Well, anyway, this one compared to that one, it basically shows the same thing on analog, but then it's more accurate. It shows the settings, it shows mileage, your trip age, trip B, kilometers per liter, and then of course your gas tank and when to refuel. Unlike the analog display, which shows only what do you call it? It doesn't show exactly how much gas you have left.
Yes, so walang ganun.
Yes, sir. That's good. I'm gonna try to access now the settings, sir.
So meron siyang nini-enable dito parang joystick.
Yes, sir. Dito mo pinocontrol yung where to access these things. Okay.
So you have the outside temperature settings, then the kilometer reading,
And
speed.
the time, sir.
You have also the time, fuel gauge, na dyan. Yan. So this comes in ABS na rin,
Yes,
both
sir.
front and rear. Unlike before, yung Sprint ko, wala yata siyang ABS 2016 model.
Wait, sir. What I'm aware of is this front-loading ABS.
Ah, front lang ba?
Yes, sir. But then
I stand corrected.
both are disc brakes now.
Ah, okay.
As compared to the Sprint or 150cc's, which the rear brake is still drum.
Okay. Check out natin yun. Okay. Alright.
But anyway, 300cc compared to the 150. Like you said, yours is the Sprint, right?
Yes.
What this has is a bigger body. So of course, it's heavier because it also has a bigger engine.
Yeah.
But the tires are also bigger. Tires are bigger, so it offers more stability also.
12 yata eh, no?
Yes, sir. These are 12, but then as compared to the 150cc, which offer 110/70 tires, this has 127 tires. 127 tires.
Then may bar end na rin siya.
Yes, sir.
Bar end na siya. Tapos chrome.
Yes, sir.
For this one. Pero yung kinuha natin is gray delicate. Variation color. Yan. Okay. Okay guys, mag-sound check tayo. Check natin. Okay. Okay, so guys, meron din siyang free helmet. I'm not sure, pagka nag-purchase ka ba ng lower CC displacement, meron bang free helmet? Or for the GTS?
Meron.
Meron na rin.
Meron.
So,
Recently lang.
all variants talaga meron. May free helmet siya. So, ito ay Nico. Nico came from, ano to? Saan na ba to? Most likely.
Years around the time.
Retro. Okay, Jiggy, so what is the process para, kunyari, magre-release tayo ng isang unit ng Vespa?
First of all, sir, pagdating kasi dito ng unit from the warehouse, hindi pa siya activated. So the battery isn't connected and everything. So first thing we'll do here is connect the battery, the pads na which is the Piazza checklist. And then after activating the unit, ito test ride nila around along here lang or Ortigas Avenue. Just to calibrate the unit to be the most efficient it can be.
Okay. Nandito na ang ating unit. Yan. So, pina-car wash na to. Yan. Yan. So, gawa tayo ng konting walk around. Okay, meron tong technology na tinatawag na pads. Ano ulit ibig sabihin ng pads, Mike? Ano ibig sabihin ng pads?
Yan yung sir, yung Piaggio checklist.
Piaggio checklist. Pads stands for?
Piaggio Asia, sir.
Okay. So, yan. Pads.
Bro, meaning ng pads?
Ayun, Piaggio Advanced Diagnostic System. So, this is how they do the quality checking here in Vespa before they release the unit. Yan. So, this is done remotely, no cable needed. Wi-Fi ba yan? Bluetooth?
Bluetooth po.
Bluetooth. Via Bluetooth. Yan. Okay, so ang gagawin ka calibrate.
Yes, sir. So, kasi activated yung traction control boss na galing sa planta. I-calibrate.
Okay. Okay, I'm with Sir Mike here, my agent. So, yan. Anong gagawin?
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Morning.
Sir, this is our documents po for our
Thank you.